AI Dating Coach by Mimetic Labs has just been released, and it's making waves in the AI world. If you're curious about how this AI software can completely transform your dating life, stay tuned because I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know before trying it out. Trust me, you'll want to hear about all the features that make this the best dating coach on the market right now. And yes, you can try it for free. I've got a link for that in the description below. Let's dive into it. First off, AI Dating Coach by Mimetic Labs isn't just another chatbot or a simple recommendation engine. This software uses cutting-edge AI to help you understand and improve your dating profile, interactions, and overall approach to dating. It's like having a personal dating consultant who never sleeps and is always ready to provide feedback and guidance. One of the key features of this software is its ability to analyze your dating profile in depth. It scans your profile and offers personalized suggestions based on what's trending in the dating world. From your bio to the photos you use, AI Dating Coach will recommend changes that make your profile more attractive to potential matches. So if you're not getting the results you want, it's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. But it doesn't stop there. AI Dating Coach uses machine learning to assess your conversation style and even the tone of your messages. It suggests how to improve your communication, making sure your messages are more engaging and reflective of your true personality. If you struggle with what to say on dating apps or even how to keep a conversation flowing, this AI has your back. It's like having a wingman who's always on point. The software also tracks your interactions and gives you real-time feedback. You'll get insights on what works and what doesn't in your dating strategy, helping you fine-tune your approach. This level of detail is something you won't find in many other dating tools. It allows you to make quick adjustments to maximize your chances of success. Another standout feature is its emotional intelligence. The AI doesn't just follow logic, it understands the emotional dynamics of conversations. It can read the emotional cues in your conversations and suggest responses that are more empathetic or confident depending on the context. This kind of emotional intelligence is crucial when you're trying to make a genuine connection with someone online. If you're someone who wants to optimize your dating life but doesn't have the time to spend hours analyzing your approach, AI Dating Coach is the perfect tool. It cuts down the trial and error process and speeds up your learning curve. By analyzing your behavior over time, it offers suggestions that improve not only how you present yourself, but how you engage with others. And if you're wondering about the ease of use, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any prior experience with AI to start using it. Just plug in your details and the AI will walk you through everything step by step. The interface is clean and intuitive, making the whole experience smooth and enjoyable. So to sum up, AI Dating Coach by Mimetic Labs offers a powerful, data-driven approach to dating. Whether you're struggling with your profile, messages, or overall approach, this software gives you the tools and insights to improve in real time. It's like having a top-tier dating consultant in your pocket, guiding you every step of the way. If you're ready to try it out, you can get started for free right now by clicking the first link in the description. And after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this is one of the best. Be sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description, so you can explore even more powerful tools to level up your dating life. Go ahead and click that link now. It's time to get your dating strategy on point with AI Dating Coach by Mimetic Labs.